How to fix Roblox not launching on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox not launching on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again and you just type here Roblox and then click on it, and now go to storage and first click here clear cache and then click force stop, and then go to permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and then go to storage, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just come back here to apps and apps again and Roblox, and then go to storage and then click clear data and click OK, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.